What's going on, guys? Today we have a 2006 Jaguar S-Type and it's in with a no start condition. The ignition was basically not responsive. It would open the switch but it would not crank. It would not send any signal out. So I went ahead and used my scanner, checked for communication with the TCM. We had no communication with the TCM, so I started looking at power supply for the TCM. I went ahead and pulled up diagrams, checked fuse 33 at the front engine compartment fuse box. It's a 15 amp and fuse 28 40 amp at the front fuse box. Here are the diagrams for all the fuse boxes, and it was not the only problem. The ignition coils were also not getting power, so here's another diagram for that. Make sure you trace these wires, and here's the fuse box layout description. Check fuse 19. With the ignition repaired, the TCU power supply repaired, and the ignition coil power supply repaired, we got it to crank and it's running. It's another one bites the dust, and that's another one getting on the road. Anyways, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And if you run into this type of problem, feel free to send me a message so I can try to help you out. Doesn't matter if it's a Jaguar, a BMW, or any other type of car. Brand does not matter. I'm here.